Everyone, I'm Basanta from Smart Tech Guide. In this guide, a little bit about Internet of Things. What is it? What are the examples? Why it's significant? Kind of like that. Um, Internet of Things. It's a digital transformation where billions of physical devices interact with each other with the help of internet throughout the world, of course. Think of everything from a pill that you use every day for your medical purpose, home key, kids toy, um, to as big as airplane or self-driving car or anything, any physical device that you can think of. This, of course, thanks goes to the low cost chips and wireless technology and smaller chips, smaller wireless devices. Think of multiple self-driving cars navigating driving on the road without collision. They interact with each other with the help of vehicle to vehicle or vehicle to person or vehicle to infrastructure communication, and they avoid collision and they create a mesh network that can be utilized for some other purpose, and that's the near future. Examples. One simple example is smart home, where you have motion sensor in your home, you have camera or single camera with motion enable, and it captures the video or photo of the anybody that comes into your door. With the motion detection, it start capturing the footage and it sends to the owner so that they will recognize whether it's a known person or unknown person or something else. And if it's some strange person, and if it's a thief activity, then they can notify the local authority, even if they are abroad on the vacation for 7 days, 10 days, or how many days, it doesn't matter. As long as they are connected to internet, they will get notification from their smart home devices. So and of course, if the photo is from recognized person like your family member or your relatives, then you don't need to worry if the photo is from a strange person. It may be a thief or anything. In that case, you may want to use the local authorities help, even if you are abroad also. You can place sensor on your key and you can never lose it. That's another small but big use of IoT. You can monitor all the environmental activities, and even under the oceans. You can monitor all the fish activities. For instance, there might be fish that are endangered, and you can monitor all those activities and save them, or any other wild animal. You can save them from the people who want to kill them or murder them or whatever. You can have a lot of usage with the IoT with low cost chips and wireless devices. The usage comes into picture with various of things. As I mentioned, there are billions of physical devices. Every physical device can be connected to internet with cheapest option, and in that case every physical device can be interact with each other. Consumer application usage includes like smart home, as I mentioned earlier, elder care, and in commercial applications, healthcare and medical treatments, all those things, transportation, and vehicle to vehicle or vehicle to pedestrian or vehicle to infrastructure communication, that also called B2X, B2 multiple vehicle to multiple entities, and that is the primary thing for self-driving cars. So, to be fully self-driving car, they should be able to communicate between pedestrian and nearby infrastructure and nearby vehicles, so that they avoid collision, and also they create mesh network that can be utilized for some other purpose. uh, Industrial applications include manufacturing, agriculture, and other infrastructure like metropolitan scale deployment, energy management, environmental monitoring or interaction, and in military there is internet of military things. There are tons of things that can be done with IoT in military, like internet of battlefields, oceans of things, under ocean military activities and everything that can be monitor and or interact with IoT. That's about it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my channel and videos, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button to get notified of my future videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Feel free to comment if you like to know something or have feedback for me. Until next video, have a good time. Bye bye.